We interrupt our regular scheduled programming for an important announcement. Please stand by. At approximately 1:30 p.m., the United Kingdom government issued an emergency response. This was followed by a suspicious incident involving suspicious activity in London and Manchester. We do not know what is going on, however, we'll bring the most important information to you as soon as possible. We do not know if this is a new virus or not, yet. Turn into broadcast stations, signals, news, and other sources that will provide you the latest news and information. Unfortunately, this virus is not COVID-19, this is a zombie virus. Go to the nearest bunker in your area and quarantine yourself. Our regular scheduled programming will now be discontinued. The BBC headquarters wishes you the best. As a final message, we hope you enjoy your final moments with your family and friends. We conclude the final moments of our journey. We will sign off for the last time with the national anthem of Northern Ireland and the United Kingdom.